Guys, I hope everybody is doing great. I was out in Delhi for Saturday, Sunday, and I'm just back to work. सुबह से बस लगे हुए भाई. संडे आ गया था मैं वापस शाम को आ गया था. वो सॉरी मंडे आ गया था मैं शाम को and I'm back to work. मंडे को हमने BMW डिलीवर की and now we are working on few other projects. मैं देखा. This is one of the Fortuners we've got. This is what we're doing is इसको Type 1 से Type 2 convert कर रहे हैं. This the car belongs to somebody in the army itself and so we're just making sure कि आर्मी की perfections जैसे होती हैं हमारी कंट्री की बिल्कुल we'll make sure कि एक एक चीज़ perfect हो एक एक चीज़ बिल्कुल perfectly करके दें to the officer. So this is the car and he's going to take a leave and come. I had a talk to him. He said he's going to come in about 10 days. So he wanted to get the car ready as soon as he comes. Like he wanted to ride the car and he wanted to surprise his family as well. So we're just working on the car. We've already started. हमारे पास गाड़ी आई थी Saturday को and Saturday late evening. So we couldn't do anything on in the evening. So we have started the work. Monday almost stripped the car. Bonnet is out, fenders are out, bumpers are out. Grills are out, everything is almost open, right? So the work is already started. देखते हैं सामान आ गया इसका, everything is all ready. So this is the before thing of the car. This is how the car looks now. And few days you'll see how the car looks later. Check out the conditions of the car. We're going to detail the car. We're going to do a lot of things on the car. Check the condition of the car. Super excited for such projects like Fortuners and Innova. So this is one of them. So we're just going to paint few portions to make it all look brand new. So pehli kal apna detailing karne wale hain te compound polish and everything. So we're going to make sure these things are painted as well. Aa sari cheezaं paint hongiyan, right? ਜਿਹੜੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਥੋਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੇਂਟ ਹੈ ਆ ਕਲਮ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਸੈੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ. So it is better to do the touching, just paint those portions. It's very good. So this is also what we're going to repair and paint it, right? So we're going to repair this as well. There's a dent here. We're going to repair it and paint it as well. So we're going to paint these wheel arcs, the rear wheel arcs as well. Alloys and calipers are going to be painted as well. Look at the condition of the alloys and the calipers right now. And in few days you'll realize the car is all brand new, specking new. All the doors have the same thing. This is all same thing on all doors. The front door, both the sides have the same issue. So we're gonna, we're just gonna solve all the issues. All set. We're just doing a ritual as we always do. So whenever we paint a full car, so we just distribute gulab jamun. This guy is just running. So whenever we complete, so we completed a Polo and a BMW. काफी सारा paint हुआ, full project था. So we just distributing. ਹੁਣ खाला आजा चक. ये इसके नखरे नहीं खत्म होते ये बंदे ये. इसको वाइट चाहिए, ब्लैक वाला गुलाब जामुन नहीं चाहिए, राउंड वाला. अभी चक ली. So this is our painter, जो मेन पेंटर हमारा हरदीप जी. आ जा कभी लैला 2 लैला हैं. लैला कमजोर हो गए वैसे तू हैं नहीं. आ जा वो लेगा. ये सबसे ज़्यादा गुलाब जामुन खाने वाला बंदा है मिक्का. अच्छा पिछली बार 5-6 खा गया सी तू. Just parking the cars. चेंज कर दे यार, चेंज कर दे. डैम्पिंग हुई है बोनट पे. मैं एक्चुअली सारी स्कर्टिंग सारी काटती हैं अपनी बॉडी किट वगैरह सारी काटती. फ्रंट साइड्स एवरीथिंग इज ऑल गॉन ऑफ. दी साइड skirting gone off. The rear skirting is also removed. Everything is all removed here. So all let's see what we're going to do next on it. Tires look super duper wide. 245s with the 18-inch. All gone. All skirting's gone, everything all gone. We'll get the washing done tomorrow. So I've got this, Cresta 2 kits. One is also old and one I have with me in case किसी को T-Tem kit चाहिए. This is a used one and I have it. Rear का ये वाला टूटा हुआ piece. That's it. This is fixable. This can be fixed. I can fix and give it to you. And front we can do some other thing because the front is all completely broken. My kit is all sold. That was all fine. But this kit, second kit which I have, is only with the back and the side skirtings. Front I can do something like some we can do is कर सकते हैं. Front हम वो वाली kit लगा देंगे यार. Lexus kit लगा सकते हैं. We can put a Lexus kit in the front. Certainly. If you want, we can put a Lexus kit in the front and sides and back we can do this. And we can do a good project like this. ये वाले बहुत सस्ते पड़ेंगे T-Tem kit. Rear and sides are going to be cheaper. The front Lexus kit will be all brand new. So बस उसमें थोड़ा सा खर्चा होगा. So a complete project car can be built up in case किसको चाहिए तो. Right. So just call me in case anybody needs it. My numbers are mentioned in the bio. So just look for it. Thank you.